In this tutorial, we'll focus on how to create a Pareto chart. A Pareto chart is a type of chart that contains both columns and a line graph, where individual values are represented in descending order by columns, and the cumulative total is represented by the line. The purpose of the Pareto chart is to highlight the most important among a typical large set of factors. Excel 2013 has no built-in Pareto chart, but a clustered column chart and line chart on the secondary axis will do the trick nicely. Let's have a closer look at the chart first. The column chart in blue displays the different types of complaints. The orange line chart displays the accumulative percentage. What does that show? In this example, we will see that roughly 80% of the complaints come from 20% of the complaint types. Excel makes it easy to create this chart. First, sort the count of complaints in descending order. Then add a new column, accumulative percentages. First, we want to calculate the first number as a percentage of the total. Remember to lock the total number in cell C17 by adding $signs. If you want to learn more about when to use $signs, please do watch my tutorial, A Fistful of Dollars. Then we calculate the second number as a percentage of the total. Again, watch the $signs. To get the accumulative percentage, all we need to do is to add the percentage above. You can see the first two numbers have a cumulative percentage of 82%. Let's drag this formula down. And let's do a little sense check here. The last accumulative percentage must be 100%. All we need now is our trusty clustered column chart. Highlight the data in column B, C, and D. You can ignore the total row. Then go to Insert, go across to the chart sections, go to the Insert Column Chart icon and click the Clustered Column Chart. At this moment, all you can see is one data series, the blue one. The reason is that the other, the orange data series, is too small in comparison. To show the small values, we need to display them on a secondary axis. Easy job. Right-click into one of the blue columns. And go to Change Series Chart Type. In the Change Chart Type window, tick Secondary Axis box beside the data series accumulative percentage. And while you're there, change the chart type to Line Chart. Voila! This is your Pareto chart almost done. There are only two things we need to change. The right axis upper bound is 120%. We want to change this to 100. Right-click into the axis and go to Format Axis. Change the maximum value for bounds to 1.0 and the value for major units to 0.2. There is one more thing to do. As you can see, the grid lines are aligned with the left axis. But because the focus should be on the percentages, in particular the 80% threshold, we want to align the grid lines with the right axis. Click into the chart area and here on the green plus sign, go to the small triangle beside grid lines, deselect primary major horizontal and select secondary major horizontal. Now the grid lines are aligned with the right secondary axis. Well done! You learned a lot in this tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get updates when new videos come out.